Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with Surrey snowflake. It is worked in the round and it is worked in the crossed double crochets to give the texture to it, and it makes a great project piece for your wearables, for other classical design projects, so on and so forth. Several such motifs can be joined together to make a large project. So let's go into the video without any delay. Chain 7, slip stitch and join to the first chain and form a ring. Chain 1, it does not count as any stitch. Place 12 single crochets into the ring. So complete placing the single crochets. So pull up the loop to the height of a double crochet. And make a standing twisted double crochet in the very first stitch. Chain 2, 1 double crochet in the next single crochet, chain 2, continue the stitch pattern, stitch repeat, chain 2 single crochet, double crochet, chain 2 double crochet, so on each of the single crochets of first round. So we will have 12 double crochets and 12 chain 2 spaces. At the end of the round, make the last chain 2 and slip stitch and join to the third of the 3 chains. If you have done a 5 chain as the first DC and 2 chain space, otherwise slip stitch and join on top of the double crochet. So this loop will be little dicey to pick up, but pick up from under both the loops of the DC. So you are very likely to pick up from the next one. So we may miss this out, so we should be careful enough. So this is the second chain, first chain, and this is the top of the DC. Okay, we have to slip stitch on top of the double crochet. Having done it, don't turn, chain 1, place a single crochet on the same DC, 2 single crochets under the chain 2 space, single crochet on DC. So this is a stitch repeat all around, complete, and get back. So slip stitch to the first single crochet. For the next round, pull up to the height of a double crochet, make a standing twisted double crochet or chain 6. So I am going to start with my double crochet. Chain 3 now. Chain 6 will count as 1 double and 3 chains, now chain 3, and skip 2 single crochets before this double and place a double crochet in the next. Having placed the DC, by skipping 2 stitches before the first DC and working in the third, now chain 2. Now we are going to work forward. Skip 2 single crochets and place your double crochet in the third single crochet. Now this particular first DC and 3 chain, it's be hanging loose, so when we complete the round, this will get fixed. Now chain 3, we are going to work in the third stitch before the DC just works. So we are going to skip 2 that we skipped before to come forward. So we skipped 2 and did the double crochet here. Now we will be skipping the same, go behind and work here. So that is how we create the cross stitch. And we are not working over the stitch, we are working just above the stitch. So this is the, see, I have not taken this behind, so I have taken it in front. Now chain 2, skip the next 2, place your double crochet in the third forward one. Now chain 3, come behind and place your, skip the 2 before and then place your double crochet here. The third stitch before the double crochet just worked. So this is the stitch pattern, repeat all around, completed. I shall also complete and get back. Completed the round. Now last chain 2 and slip stitch on top of the first DC or the third chain of the 6th chain if you have done 6 chains. Okay, and here we're going to slip stitch join. So this is how it looks at the end of round 4. I shall be back with round 5. For row 5, in the next chain 3 space, make 2 singles, chain 2, 2 singles. Now in the next chain 2 space, make a set of 2 singles. Now we come back to chain 3 space. Here we make 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1 half double, chain 3 3 times, chain 3 and the single crochet, all in this chain 3 space. Now in the next chain 2 space, we are going to make 2 singles. So continue the stitch pattern all around. I shall meet you at the end of the round. Come to the end of the round here. Now slip stitch, join and fasten off. So we complete the Surrey snowflake. This is how it looks, and it's a great design and a classical design too. It has a little bit of texture because we have done the cross stitches here. So thank you friends for viewing this video. Hope you liked it, and if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do so. Like and share our videos, and if you happen to be the first time viewer, please do subscribe, like and share our videos. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Bye for now. Have a great day. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video.